Hi, my name is Natalia Lopez. I am 34 years old. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I am a flight attendant. I live alone in my apartment in Bogota, but my mom lives close to me. I am studying health administration. I don't watch TV, so I don't have any favorite TV show. My favorite sport is running. Let me introduce you to my family. There are 4 people in my family: my mother, my brother, my sister, and me. First, my mom. She is Rosalba Lopez. She is 60 years old. She is from Pesca, a little town in Boyacá. She lives in Bogota. My mom is little chubby and medium height. She has brown eyes and short brown hair. My mom is lovely. My mom cooks delicious. Then my brother. He is Luis Alberto Lopez. He is 39 years old. He is an electrical engineer. He is from Bogota, but he lives in Cajica with his family. He has 2 daughters. My brother is slim and thin. He has short gray hair. His eyes are brown and he has a white teeth. My brother is hardworking. He's serious but is funny and very responsible. My sister is Diana Carolina. She's 28 years old. She's from Bogota. She lives in Sao Paulo, Brazil. She's a nun. My sister is tall. She has brown eyes and she has short brown curly hair. My sister is a spiritual woman. She's very reliable and intelligent. Thank you.